Dear students, good morning to all. Today I will teach next part of divisibility test, that is divisibility by 5. Here I have written multiples of 5. They are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on. It continues like that up to 50 and further also 55, 60, 65, all that are multiples of 5 only. If we divide these numbers by 5, we get 0 remainder. So 5 is called as factor of all these number, and all these numbers are called as multiples of 5. That already you know, this knowledge is there for you. Okay, now with this knowledge you have to find the divisibility test, right? Now we see that if you see the ones place of all these digits, you can see here 5, here it is either 5 or 0, either 5 0 5 0. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು 5 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That only I have written here. We see that the ones place digits are alternately 5 and 0. Here, alternately 5 and 0. Here, if you see the multiples of 5, you can see here. And no other digit ever appears in this list. If you go on finding the multiples of 5, then you can observe that no other digit ever appears in this list. Okay, that also you have to remember. Therefore we can tell that if in ones place of a number 0 or 5 is there, then that number is divisible by 5. Here no need to do long division method, just you have to see the ones place of the number and you have to decide. If there is 0 or if there is 5, that number is divisible by 5. Now let us see example 1. Here 3450 is given. Check the divisibility of 3450 by 5 is the question. In ones place 0 is there, so this number is divisible by 5. That only you have to write, because in ones place 0 is there. Just you have to write this much. Let us see next example. Check divisibility of 3465 by 5. Which number is there in units place? 5 is there. So this number is also divisible by 5. Next, check divisibility of 3459 by 5. Okay, here in ones place which number is there? 9 is there. So is this divisible by 5? Yes, your answer is right. It is not divisible by 5. Why? What is the reason? Because here in ones place 9 is there. To become a number should be means this to tell that this number is divisible by 5, there must be 0 or 5 in ones place, isn't it? But here 9 is there. If you divide 9 by 5, how much you will get? You will get remainder 4. So this number is not divisible by 5. That you have to remember. Okay, next, divisibility test by 10. This is most easiest method to find the divisibility test of all. Okay, now let us see. I have written here multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 means 10, no, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on, right? So on like this. Now non-multiples of 10 are 13, 27, 32, 48, 55, 69, so many. If you go on writing, so many non-multiples of 10 also you will get. If you observe, what can you observe here? Here in the multiples of 10, no, 0 is there. in one's place 0 is there. See here, everywhere 0 is there. But here unit place numbers are different here, see. So divisibility by is certainly easiest test of all. Why? Just you have to see ones place of the given number, and if 0 is there, that number is divisible by 10. Only that much you have to see. Because here I have written points, because from above two leads we see that if the ones digit of a number is 0, then the number is a multiple of 10, and if the ones digit is not 0, then the number is not a multiple of 10, because these are non-multiples. Why? In ones place there is no 0, but here these are multiples of 10. Because why? Because in ones place 0 is there. Therefore now we have to find the we have to check the divisibility of 12,560 by 10. Is this divisible? Yes, because in ones place 0 is there. Right. Now next example, here 7 is there. In ones place, looking at the number without doing long division, you can find out here whether this is divisible or not. Here in ones place 7 is there. So this number is not divisible by 10. Like this you have to find. Now divisibility test by 11, let us see. Now here multiples of 11 I have written. See, multiples of 11, all these are multiples of 11 up to 99, 2-digit numbers. If 2-digit numbers are given, just you can understand only these numbers are divisible by 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. If 3-digit numbers are given, you have to find whether that number is divisible by 11 or not, you have to find. So we have to follow other method to check the divisibility of a number by 11. So far what we have done for 5 and 10, that method we cannot follow. If the number is 2-digit number, just I have said, just you see, you divide that directly and you will get. If given number is 3-digit number, means A, B, C, then what you have to do, let us see. If 3-digit numbers are there, means 123 is there. Okay, now what we do is, here go on writing 1, 2, 1 above this number, means here this ones digit is considered as odd place. Okay, and here in second place we have written 2, no, that is even place it is not number. odd place, even place, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಎರಡು ಬರೋದನ್ನ ಈವನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದು ಈವನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವುದು ಆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸು, ಇದೆರಡು ಆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಇದೆರಡು ಆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇವೆರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 1 1 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೆರಡು ಈವನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 3-digit number, that is A, B, C, okay, we have to mark the odd place digit and even place digit. That is, C is in ones place, so C's place is considered as odd place. Similarly, B is in tens place and it is considered as even place number, and A is in hundreds place and considered as in odd place. 1 2 1 2 like that you have to write. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಂಬರು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಈವನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಂಬರು ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ 4 1 2 3 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟು 1 + 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ odd place is equals to 4 you will get. Then numbers in even place 4 and 2, 4 + 2 separately you have to add this. Now you will get 6. Find the difference. ಅಂದರೆ 6 4 ಸಿಗ್ತಾ, 6 - 4 is equals to 2 you will get. ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರು 2 ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಇವನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ, ಆಯಿತಾ. Find the difference. If the answer is 0 or 11, then the given number is said to be divisible by 11 ಅಂತ ರೂಲ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪಕ್ಕಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿತ್ತು? 2 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 0 ಬರಬೇಕು ಉತ್ತರ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ 11 ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರು ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 11 ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ 3278 is given. We have to check. So which are the odd place numbers here? Okay, 8 2. These two are odd place numbers. Okay, not odd number. Remember, they are not odd number but odd place number. So 8 + 2 is equals to 10 we get, right? Then sum of even place number, not even number, remember. Okay, that is sum of even place number is equals to 7 + 3 is equals to 10. Now difference, find the difference between both number. 10 ಇಲ್ಲೂ 10 ಇಲ್ಲೂ 10 ಇಲ್ಲೂ 10 ಇಲ್ಲೂ 10 ಬಂದಿದೆ. 10 - 10 0 ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ರೂಲ್? ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೆಲ್? ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 0 or 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Okay, hence the given number 3278 is divisible by 11. That you have to remember. Okay, let us see next example. Check the divisibility of 56,782 by 11. Once again, what we have to do? Odd place number. Add odd place number, that is 2, 7 and 5. Odd place number. Okay, how much you will get? 2 + 7 + 5 is equals to 14 you will get. Then even place number. Even place numbers are 8 + 6 is equals to 14 only. 14 - 14 you will get 0. Therefore given number is divisible by 11. Like this you have to find out. Now let us see. Check the divisibility of 7062 by 11. Now which are the odd place numbers here? 2 and 0. 1 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 2 + 0 2 you will get. Then 7 + 6 how much you will get? 13 you will get here, even place number. Then what is the difference? 13 - 2 is equals to 11. Is this divisible by 11? Yes, because if difference is 0 or 11, given number is divisible by 11. That you have to remember. Note, here I have written one note. See, your answer may be positive or negative. It's of no matter. Okay, this 11 may be negative or positive. No problem. Okay, next let us see next example. Check the divisibility of 56,849 by 11. Once again you have to add odd place numbers. 9 + 8 + 5. 9 8 5. So these are odd place numbers. you will get 22. Sum of even place numbers here, which are even place number? 4, 6. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10 you will get. Here difference you will get, what is the difference? 12. Since the difference is not 0 or 11, what is the rule? We have to get 0 or 11 here, difference. But here we got 12. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 11. Like this, you have to find out the divisibility by 11. Here I have given homework questions. Solve this. If there is any doubt, you can contact me. Okay. Thank you.